This is Jalal reporting for Sunspots. We are animating robots created from our 3D printer inside our media arts class.
Stop motion animation has been around for a very long time. Ray Harryhausen was one of the founding fathers. One of his greatest movies was Clash of the Titans.
Using Tinkercad, Mr. Cohen wants us to create a robot that's able to move its head, arms, and legs. After it's completed, we are going to use the 3D printer to make the robot come to life and make a stop motion animation.
First, we use Tinkercad to create the robot combination different geometric shapes. We use ball and soccer pieces of all of the joints, including the head.
Then we print the robot out using our 3D printer.
After the robot is printed, we have to clean up the different pieces, which include taking off the supports and sometimes sanding the robot pieces.
Then we use the robot to film a stop-motion animation on the stage we set up and film.
We then input the footage onto the computer, adding sound and the background if possible.
Our final stop-motion animation should show our robot walking from the left to right.
It's a long process, but I think all the hard work was worth it, don't you think?